Welcome to UFly UAS Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to create high-quality captions for your YouTube shorts using a powerful tool called Captionbolt. Captionbolt is an AI-powered caption generator that makes it incredibly easy to add captions to your videos quickly, accurately, and with a professional look. So if you want to boost engagement, reach more viewers, and make your content stand out, you're in the right place. All right, let's get started. Go ahead and open your preferred internet browser and head over to captionbolt.com. Captionbolt offers a free trial so you can test out all of its features on your own videos. Since I already have an account, I'm just going to go ahead and click Login. Once you log in for the first time, you'll land on the Captionbolt dashboard. Right away, you'll see several quick start tools that make content creation really fast and efficient. First, you have AI Captions. This is where you upload your video, and the AI will automatically transcribe and style your captions using over 300+ caption styles. Then you simply export, and your video is ready to go. Next, you have AI Viral Clips. This is perfect if you have a long video. Just upload it, and the AI will cut it into short, viral clips and automatically add captions to each one, ready for export to any platform. Right next to that is AI Reframe. This lets you upload a horizontal video, and the AI will convert it into a vertical format, while keeping the subject properly centered on screen. Then you have AI Transcripts. You can upload audio or video, and it will generate a full transcript that you can export as SRT, TXT, or VTT files. Next is AI Dubbing. This feature automatically translates and dubs your audio into different languages. And finally, there's AI Avatar, which is a coming soon feature where an AI avatar will actually speak your script for you. So as you can see, Captionbolt gives you a full suite of AI tools to speed up your entire content creation workflow. Right below that, you have your recent projects. This is where you'll see any projects you've been working on. You can easily go back, open them up, make edits, modify anything you need, and then export them once everything is ready to go. You can also access your projects from the left side panel under Projects. This gives you another quick way to find and manage all your work in one place. Right under Projects on the left panel, you'll find Caption Styles. This is where you can browse through all the different caption styles that Captionbolt offers, so you can choose the look that fits your video best. You have several categories to choose from, like popular, social hype, storytelling, music, professional, artistic, and minimal. Each one gives you a different style and feel, so you can pick what best matches your content and your audience. Let's go back to the dashboard and upload our first video to see Captionbolt in action. Go ahead and click on AI Captions. Once the upload window pops up, you can either click to upload your video or simply drag and drop it into the window. I'm going to browse to my desktop, select my video, and upload it. Captionbolt will start reading the video metadata, and once that's done, you can either leave the language on auto-detect or manually select your preferred language. Then go ahead and click Upload and Transcribe, and let Captionbolt do its thing. Captionbolt will first upload and analyze your video. Then it will extract the speech using its AI engine, and automatically generate your captions. After that, it will go ahead and apply the captions to the video, and once everything is ready, the caption editor window will open up. This is where you can review, edit, and customize your captions before exporting. Now that the caption editor window is open, take a look at the left side panel. This is where you'll see the full transcription of your audio, broken down line by line. From here, you can quickly review the text. On the right side panel, this is where you'll see your captions preview. Now, if you click on Customize, this is where all the magic happens. You'll have a ton of options. You can change the font, adjust the font size, switch everything to uppercase, change colors, adjust the position, modify line spacing and height, and even add effects and animations. This is really where you'll spend most of your time, fine-tuning your captions to match your style and make your videos stand out. Once you're happy with all your changes and how your captions look, go ahead and click Export on the top right corner. Captionbolt will begin burning the captions into your video. You can track the progress under Recent Projects. Just be patient and let it finish processing. Once it's done, the status will change to Completed. And that's when your video is ready to download. Now simply click on your video and this will open the preview window where you can watch and review your final result. If you're happy with how everything looks, go ahead and click the yellow button labeled MP4 file. This will download your video with all your captions fully applied and ready to go. Now go ahead and play your downloaded video to make sure everything looks good. Now your video is ready to be uploaded to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube Shorts. I've also included an exclusive 50% discount code for you. Just click the link in the video description below to claim it and start creating your captions today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos. If you'd like to support the channel and help it grow, click the three dots, select Thanks, and choose your contribution. Any amount, no matter how small, is truly appreciated. And don't forget to hit the like button. It truly helps the channel grow. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And go ahead and watch one of these two videos next, so you can continue learning and growing in this field.